In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub operates with a traditional twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning cycles. In contrast, the portable washing machine features a foldable design that is extremely portable, making it ideal for travel and small spaces. Both machines are semi-automatic, but their designs cater to different user needs. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex model can handle 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is great for delicate items like baby clothes, but may not accommodate larger items. This difference in capacity can influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. In terms of portability, the Giantex is portable but larger, making it less convenient for travel. Conversely, the portable washing machine is designed to be extremely portable and foldable, allowing for easy storage and transport, making it an excellent choice for those on the go or with limited space. To summarize, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers a more traditional washing experience with its twin tub design, while the portable washing machine prioritizes portability and ease of use. Depending on your laundry needs, whether you require more capacity or extreme portability, one of these machines will suit you better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.